Okay, question number 2. It's worth 6 marks. There's 2 comments to make about this. You'll notice that there is nowhere which says decimal answers are possible. Therefore, you must show exact answers. If you don't, you get 0. The second point is that there are method marks associated with this question, as well as a solution mark. So if all you are doing is writing this answer here, you only get 1 mark out of the 2. You need to show this sort of notation to get your method. Okay, so here we have Tay, and she's got a football, and she's throwing the football and hoping to get it inside this bin. Here is the rule. So I've got minus 2x squared plus gx plus 1.5. Pressed xc and I got the same thing. So I'm now going to define that. And I'll define it as f of x even though this says h of x. To get a goal, then I need to find the value of g that has it landing here and make it bigger than that, and the value of g having it landed here and making bigger than that. So what I'm going to do is grab my f of x equals, and I want f of 9.8 to equal 0.6. Make sure I'm in radians, make sure I'm in standard, and then I press solve for G. And there's my m, which is that number here, which is your lower number. It has to go in the goal. It can't land on the edge, so therefore bigger than that number. And to find the upper value, I wish to have 10.2 equals and xe, and that's my upper value. Part B says the lands on the floor. Okay. Find the probabilities of which results of the landing on the floor on the full to the left of the bin. So it's landing in this area here to the left of the bin. So what I'd like to do is to find g of 9.8 equaling 0. And that's that number. And I don't want to include that number because that has it touching the bottom of the bin and it's got to be to the left. So it's going to be less than this. Now we have kicking a ball around the room and I've got a change of rule. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to copy it and go all the way down here. And I've now got minus 2, that's okay. I've got a B there and I've got a 1.1. And I can't have it touch the roof, and the roof is 3 meters tall. She kicks it from 1.1 and it's going to go like this. This turning point, x equals minus b over 2a for the turning point. In this case, my b is b, but my a is negative 2. So minus b over 2 times negative 2. Therefore, b on 4. So that there should be a positive because I've got a negative and a negative. And when I do that, f of x equals 3, given x equals b on 4, solve for b, we get our 2 root 95 on 5. Including this notation will give you your method mark.